Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Polygon PoS for transfers step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase Wallet app. Make sure you are logged into your wallet. Tap on the settings icon located in the bottom right corner. Select Networks from the menu options. Look for the Add Network option and tap on it. Now, enter the network name as Polygon. Set the RPC URL to https://polygon-rpc.com. Enter the chain ID as 137. For the symbol, input MATIC. Finally, set the block explorer URL to https://polygonscan.com. After filling in all the details, tap on Save. Return to the main wallet screen. Now, you should see the Polygon network listed among your networks. Switch to the Polygon network by tapping on it. Your wallet is now connected to the Polygon PoS network. To initiate a transfer, go back to the main wallet screen. Select Send to begin the transfer process. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Specify the amount of MATIC you wish to send. Review the transaction details carefully. When you're ready, tap on Send to complete the transfer. You will receive a confirmation of the transaction shortly. Check your transaction history to verify the transfer has been initiated. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Coinbase wallet to the Polygon PoS network for transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.